We're back. Can you please take a moment for my hair and makeup today? Like, so good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie-Tou. I film fashion, lifestyle content with a little bit of traveling. And speaking of traveling, today is one of my favorite videos to film. Today we're trying out outfits for my Europe trip. So this year, this annual Europe trip is in Spain. I'm so excited. I've already been to Spain, but I have never done like the islands. Even like Barcelona, I've been like a day and a half and then I left. So it's gonna be a fun little trip. I'm going to Barcelona, Mallorca, and Menorca, and it's very, very soon. So I've already have a little bit of ideas with the outfits, but I need you guys's, you know, 2 cents. Last year I did this, but I posted it the day I kind of left. This year I'm doing it a little bit earlier so that you can actually comment down below and let me know which outfits was your favorite and whatever. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. This video is gonna be a long one, so buckle up. Okay, so if you don't know what I do with my packing and my traveling, I always plan my outfits, and then I take a picture of them, and then I take the little carved out picture of myself and I add all of these outfits in my notes. That way I actually don't find an outfit because everything is already planned. And so it helped me so much last year, and I'm gonna do it all over again. So that's why I have my phone. I kind of have ideas that I need to try on, because you know, sometimes when you have an idea of an outfit in your head and you put it on and you're like, ugh, it doesn't always work. So it's better to try it right now than in Spain. The first 3-ish days were in Barcelona, so it's more like city girl type of vibe. So I kind of have one outfit. Let me see if it works out. So I wanted to do like little skirt, tube top kind of vibe with like sneakers. You think it's a good thing? I don't have black sneakers. I tried the Sambas and I was so disappointed. When was one of you guys gonna tell me that they are so uncomfortable? Maybe it's because I have flat feet. It's just not working out for me. Maybe I'm just in my head. I don't know. I need to try them on again. But for now, I don't think it's gonna be the Sambas. I had a vision. It's not gonna happen. Especially for like Europe, like walking around. But yeah, this top from Aritzia, I just bought it, as you can see. And then a little skirt. I'm kind of sad because I kind of want the skirt to be a little shorter, like very like Y2K, but at the same time I feel like I don't need to buy another skirt. I'm trying to de-influence myself. I feel like this stuff is for a little larger chested people, but I'm gonna make it work nonetheless. Or maybe with another skirt. Hold on, what about this? Like, this is cute too, no? I could like maybe put it up a little bit more, but I feel like it's super cute. Like the beige, it's super comfortable, of course, because it's like suede, and I feel like with the black, it's cute. I've added accessories, just saying, but like with the bag and like this, it's giving cute, it's giving yes. I think I'm gonna take this as one outfit, yes. And like for a night out, what if I put this, like trying to recycle my little outfits and my tops? I feel like this is a good option. What do you guys think? Also, keep in mind that my hair is going to be blonde. Like, I'm going to do blonde box braids, so I'm gonna be feeling the whole fantasy. And this is an alternative. Maybe that's good. Like, it looks like a dress, I'm not gonna lie, but it's a 2-piece. So the top with my infamous crisscross skirt. Yeah, that's cute. I think that's also an option, and like stacked jewelries and whatnot, that's a good thing. I also bought these earrings yesterday. I feel like they're the dupe from, I don't know which company though. Are they the Bottega earrings? I don't think so. Let me not say anything, but they would look so cute, right? I love that. I love that. Imagine with the braids, always. And also, since it's still gonna be the spring, I feel like I could go with a little vest and rock it. You know, I bought this vest in London, and it's been my hear me out since then. I'm like, yes, it's cute, I swear. And with this, I feel like it's a cute fit, like with the little two-piece, and with this, it's so cute. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I find it so adorable. I don't know. Okay, so I'm not sure about this, but what do you guys think? This is a corset little top and the same crisscross skirt. Maybe I could wear this as one of like the Barcelona days. So yeah, what say you? What do you think? I could bring it. It's literally like -2 pounds. Okay, so forget about the wrinkles, okay? I'm gonna unwrinkle it, but this, do you see the vibes? Do you see the vibes? This top, I'm obsessed. I've been on the lookout for like little tops like this and like tie tops and everything, but they're so expensive. Like, what the hell? I know we're all in a recession, but like, god damn it, I'm just trying to look cute. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl. So this could fill my need of these kind of tops. I bought it in Portugal last year. This with the skirt, oh, could be a look. Hold on now. This, I'm thinking more Mallorca than Barcelona, but definitely a look. On the topic of recycling, I feel like this skirt goes well with this top as well. Love the open back top and the gray. It's so different, like damn. I don't know if I should wear this with this, or maybe I could just wear normal shorts, like maybe a black cute short with cute shoes. Like that would be the day where I would have to walk a lot. Maybe that's a good thing. Let me try with the shorts. Like this, you know, this is cute. Is it too dark? I feel like it's too dark. I feel like there's nothing going on here, but maybe with a cute, colorful shoe, that would change the fact that it's a little too dark. Listen, forget about the wrinkles. Forget it. Forget it, babe. This, maybe? I don't know. I feel like the more I try things, the more I'm doing too much. Yeah, I'll think about it. I'll think about it. What about this? I don't know. I'm not sure. I feel like it's a little too bright. I don't know. The colorway, maybe. I don't know. It's not my favorite. But I think we can work with the top and the skirt, just different things. This, I think, is gonna be more casual. I think I might bring a pair of jeans, to be honest. Like my normal straight jeans, that would be nice. Or like just mom shorts. That would be fun. Maybe more with this. I don't know. I feel like the different textures kind of throws me off. This top is definitely making a reappearance. It's making a comeback. But this skirt, I don't know. I think it's the fact that it's an A-line skirt. I'm not a big fan. If I had a big sweater with this and like sneakers, that would be like a cute little casual outfit. But for now, I don't have anything for Miss Girl. This dress did not fit the way it does now. Definitely gained some muscle because this slit was not open like that. And I don't know, I feel a little bit more tighter here, but it's still stretchy, like it's a stretchy material. So I'm gonna wear this, of course. I'm gonna bring it with me. I'm an outfit repeater through and through. And so this is just chef's kiss. Sarita always does it, always. We love her, even though she's a little expensive, huh? Like, let's work on that. Let's work on that. But all in all, definitely bringing this one. I think I should bring this one too, like for maybe Mallorca or Menorca, just like putting this on with cute little sneakers, go about my day and feel cute. The open back is giving. I think I like it. Yeah. Been a while since I worn this, but it still fits. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna bring this, of course. The corset and the like draping hair is just And the fact that I paid 30 bucks for this, yeah, I need to breathe like this. This is a real corset now. Definitely bringing this with me, probably for a night out, or yeah, definitely for a night out actually. You can never go wrong with a LBD. You can never go wrong with a little black dress, I fear. It's so cute. I love it so much. I wore this for my graduation and I've never worn it ever since. I don't know what's the problem with me. I always associate things with clothes. I don't know. But I'm gonna get over this thing, over this obsession. And yeah, so cute. Always fun when you don't know what to wear and you need a cute outfit. This is great. And like the neckline is to die for. I'm just mwah. And this dress too, I've been waiting. I bought it in like October and I never got to wear it out, like out with the back out. And I'm so excited. It's gonna be so good. Bought it from Garage and never looked back. So good, so holiday worthy. I'm bringing this definitely. Oh, and also this dress will always come with me anywhere I go. This is the Aritzia dress, the Aritzia silky dress. The way this one eats your body up, it's so good. It's so good. I feel like I always bring so many dresses over actual fits. It's because they're so cute. I feel like I got a good bunch of outfits. I'm tired of trying them on, so I'm gonna stop here. But let me show you things that I got from Shein for the trip. I'm so excited. So this one is a cover-up because we'll be beach vacationing most of the trip. So it's like a dupe from the Meshki one. Of course, like it's a dupe. Like it's definitely a dupe. It's still gonna give a different kind of vibe, but still giving kind of cute. The crochet is very light. Very light, and so you can see the bathing suit underneath. I already know which one I'm gonna bring with me, so it's gonna be a look. It's gonna be so cute. Prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to see this a lot. I bought 2 bathing suits because I'm starting to de-influence myself from buying too many bathing suits for nothing. So I bought 2. This one was so cute. Like it was too cute to pass. This with thick straps and the back is a little bit more dainty. Like I think I'm gonna take off the padding because I mean sometimes it's cute, sometimes it's not giving, but I really like it. And with the color of my skin, this blue, chef's kiss. And the bottoms look like this. Ooh. A little cheeky, I gotta say. And then I bought the same kind of vibe but in white. This one has a tie in the front like so, and it's more simple, you know, it's a bra type of top, and then the same bottoms from the other ones. So yeah, I'm very excited for my trip. Honestly, it's gonna be such a good feeling to be there. This year was not what I expected it would be, so I think having a fun trip will definitely cure my little anxiety. But yeah, thank you for hanging out with me. Thank you for giving me advice on the outfits. You should comment down below, tell me what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.